kan ni ke glamping pot. Pangyawan tanga beteresa nama beteresa kan ni paina siya Barcelona.
Bye bye.
Say something in Khasi.
Kuno belong.
Good girl. And thank you.
I don't know.
Cool.
Kuble.
Yes, good girl. Good girl. Let's check out pots, Jingy. Da da da. Look at the entrance. It's so cute. Whoa. The food protector. Ye shows ading ngum badan si yang keterasa kelada wan si India sekala. Tip kuno baya yes achola kala miss ya ka Shillong. Hopefully next time kan sawan biang Shillong. Good night from the pots. Hello. London biang madu Parlok. Kuno pilong. You are supposed to turn left. Don't forget. Kani menta ka bangi Leit ka jaka ka dei hapo Northern Ireland ka Northern Ireland ka hapo ka United Kingdom. Wala da ka dei Ireland tambah kita ka Northern Ireland kan ba kan nga basa mga pada ka dei ka Ireland lagi ki khot ka Republic of Ireland ka Northern Ireland ka chingai tang kumba shikata shtengi ena kan nga jaka basa mga da kali di tax kan tas tengin apa oh yeah it's gonna be nice. But where's the glamping? Where
are we going? You look like
use arrive
where is that?
yeah and hour and a half.
Not too bad.
It's very pretty. It's so quiet.
That's right. Yeah, we're far enough out of town.
Yeah. Ngila po yung ganyan pots, jungi. Ganyan pa yung pots. Ganyan kitchen. Ganyan nila na siya po pots. Let's check out pots, jungi. Da da da. Look at the entrance. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow, this is pretty. What's our pot number?
Number 2.
Oh, literally this.
This one.
Welcome to our pots. Woohoo! A very romantic date with my girlfriend. Oh wow! Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, cool.
Oh my goodness! We are literally gonna be sharing the bed.
You are here.
Woohoo! This is so cute.
So cute, yeah.
We do not have Wi-Fi. Talk to each other. Pretend it's 1995. Oh, look at the view, Teresita.
We have proper.
Oh, mugs and glass and everything. Ready for barbecue with the view.
But the other place is good.
Barbecue tambah mendon syura keding. What a view. I feel so sad for our barbecue. The food protector.
It worked.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's cooked?
I mean, it didn't turn off.
It's hot. She can die staying. It's so dark. Good night from the pots. Good morning na po UK. Pekani kaday sun ba Jim and step ba nga kilit nga mi siya bar packaging bang badang pe sunrise. Wow. Kadi kerja kata ni ada internet shisha. Kerja kedai shisha ka perfect getaway yang ngabat ya Teresa bangin spend ke time show apa ke Teresa kan Leit pai sa Barcelona ngan sa kerja bah bakan date no maka ka kedai kawai na ki Parlok ki bayajan bah bat nga pada one ru sa Shillong ka best ya ka Shillong ka yet bah so ngan sa mes bai ka.
Perfect.
Morning from the United Kingdom, Newry. Breakfast is ready with the view. Woohoo!
Maggie.
Maggie, but very healthy though. And ta-da! I took a video. Oh, actually, it's only 3 pots. You're right, Teresa. Ne kerja kasak jengi ketai play em. Nang ta kene pada kedai kerja Leit sebar. Kamera zoom bebas. Kamera zoom. The kitchen bangalap iminin. And a view, oh my goodness. Ini Leit syang nak mentah. Hi. Ni lah ada bam, tinggi ni like kaino, ini like syang no. Ke first stop jengi kedai ke bagi kot ke Tollymore Forest Walk. Kedan hak jaka kot ke Newcastle. Bakam ni ke Newcastle UK. Kedai ni Newcastle UK tema ke Newcastle and Northern Ireland. Bandrung hak ni ke Forest Walk kedai ke free. Ni hap siu tang san euro. Siapa Northern Ireland game use you ke euro, ke use ke pounds. So ngi haban siu san pound. But ke euro ka kam he ke pound tang kan dia ke euro. Tinggi haban siu dah ke pound tang. Ke bangi dang ya kan ni ke Tollymore Forest ke first. And the stop ke bangi yo ipra ke ni ke Old Bridge ke khot ke Bloody Bridge. Peki rong jong ki bridge ki rong jong ki mau ka jing ko jong ko ka jing long jong ki wa duot. Long bit tekum shashal long bit day. Ani ngadang kan mau ko ngi tiki mau tingi yo panya sajan. Hang ni ngi la poi sa lake. Oh, the doggy is coming to us. Dah ini persiang banyayat oh. Banyayat ni ke kelab ke di ke trail ke besan kilometer banyak ni lain. Ha kelab ke negan ke wadut. Sebab ke ni ke lake. Okay, say something in Khasi.
Kuno belong.
Good girl. And thank you.
I don't know.
Cool.
Kuble.
Yes, good girl. Good girl. Teresa kalau long kalau namunkan Khasi mentah. Good girl. Ini ke wadut. Red direction spin sini. Oh, dan kulai ru. Red direction sini. Tambah namar bani apa? Yes, dang. Ni dang. Nak away pat ka. Nanti. Nanti. You cycle ru. This is nice to come and cycle around. Ka klau ka balong kom ka klau pentor. This is green path. But where is it saying it's red? Kom ka klau pentor.
Yes, they are the major.
Apoy ya ka lenti jong ka gibang iha ka Old Bridge. Ito na. Yeah, there are kids down there. So if we go through that route, or even through that bridge.
Yeah, well,
We don't want to go down. Yeah, no, we don't want to go down. But like, if I'm bringing Hammy, I could, yeah, I could come again cycling. Hammy, he's a lazy person to walk as well. but he will love to come in his cycling. So I'm gonna bring my son. Oh, stepping stones! We reached the stepping stones. Our second stop is stepping stones. I don't know. Oh, this is so cute. This is like nature. Stepping stones. What is that? Stepping stones. Do you want to go down or we shall just continue?
We'll continue.
Yeah. Same jacket. And here's our way to Old Bridge. Dan beliau mengimiti harapan. Kita rasa ramai kelawan Shillong. Ang ngamti rasanya mendan telan. Lapo isa ko ke bridge. Ya, itu ke green path. Sama kita ke tinggas. Sa. Jerong ha. Sini dang pet ke lenti bagi nak station casket. Nampak. Kawat hig baik kum Shillong am. Ni tipe yo saja ni wan rap saja ti umau ban saja la enjoy. Ini keras nasha kata kalian. Kan. Ini keras na. Oh, yes. Teresita. Hello. Kublai Shibun. Setangkat nanti Teresa layot. Jaka sana Shillong. Nampak nak kasih. Garut nomor banyak limbah. Limbah kini kaya wak dut bikin orang cycle ke kebun. It's also a mountain bike.
It's a mountain bike.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Like in a movie. Yan, ya kendai kini. Ya kini kala. Ya kini kelanti. What? Horse Bridge. Cut Cajon Bridge. Boy. You have the shot. And yun yan akan dikalinti. Ini siya pa. Car park. And hindi siya po down Patrick. Finally nila agaban bang ilapoy sa car park. Naman katib ka. Huwag ka ba doon dyan like ta. Like ta ka walk nila ta siya finally ipoy sa po ka car park na kambiang. Samsuhun man siya. Hindi naman ta sa short pa ka. St. Patrick's Center. St. Patrick's. Yes. Oh. Again, built from rubble stones on Cathedral Hill, St. Patrick's Center provide the only permanent exhibition in the world dedicated to the story of Ireland patron saint. Kanigani ka museum jong St. Patrick u baday u Rio ko jong ka ri Ireland. Ang ganyan like pirong kain na hang ni. Kanash pang jong St. Patrick. Nhìn pangila ban Leit tambah ada kabam potan ngah be no shi na ngala iya kimaru Okay. 5th anniversary, St. Patrick's Center, 25th anniversary. Larsan slam pa niya St. Patrick. Sa ibang pagkapos na yaga museum. Siya ay kanas pang dyan St. Patrick. Niyalit na siya ka church. Cathedral Church. Kani ka cathedral ka bingin Leit menta kadai ka yeng mani ka ba usdang u St. Patrick asin ka baningkong do tam usdang hang kani ka county down ka bade Northern Ireland hajan ka yeng jong kani ka yeng mani hi don ru mau jig tep ju St. Patrick u de bidung mau ba de ru mau bala le style de ru mau ba into ta ki mau brim mau siang ba baik kata ke cathedral Henry menta pada gani ke cathedral kala ka cathedral jongki Protestan ha kabakila rebuild ya ka per house nam kat praspa Henry kani ke jaka haddu menta ki kadai ke jaka ke bawan ki wanyat pilgrim ki reunion baper haddu kan menta kini cathedral I don't think it's open.
No,
Yeah,
it's not.
complete like a cathedral. So we can just have to see around. Down Patrick Cathedral. And it's not open. It's very big church, like a grave to St. Patrick. Kali kaya kawan aktif ya St. Patrick. Do British. Kini kita tap sama itu dan juga ting penajam St. Patrick ya ini kayak mana kebahagiaan pengyawan tang abet Teresa nama bak Teresa kan ikana siya Barcelona.
Bye-bye.
For 4 months you will not be seeing her in my videos kanina 4 months siya pa Barcelona. Antang kat tu kalau ada ikan rap, pengen nak siye. Tangkat tu Teresa akan ninyo siya pa Barcelona. Sebab celebrate ikan jingle jongka siya tay. Pakan iya nga. Niyawan ka siya nga hindi siya po Northern Ireland. And a nice trip, nice girls trip. Tika yung manish day ba. And hindi tayo na siya manta. Bye. Ibuan kini siya. Hindang niya bam lunch. Burger.
So annoying.
Coke. So annoying. Behang ni hagi lentiru ki flag ki dan beda ki flag United Kingdom. Patu sini Australia ko de ki flag jong ka Northern Ireland. Bapak ki dan beda British flag pikite ki de flag jong ki Northern Ireland. Finally, ngin Leit pai no mental ada ke pola yeng tengah ngai pilaya enjoy ke videos kumba ngapa Teresa ngilai enjoy bahagian ini sengi. Aduh ngindai kena aku ke video ku bless you bon.